I will leave a parts list in the description. The main reason I mounted it in this fashion is to be able to remove it in the summertime when it's not needed. The propane bottle, I painted it with truck bed liner. It's all put together with stainless steel screws. And the inside of it, I ground the lip out of that PVC pipe coupling for the canister to go down through. That was really the only modification that had to be done to it. I also screwed the clamps shut so that they could not open back up with screws.